Whichit for Advertisers Tutorials. Create a targeted traffic campaign. Welcome to the Whichit for Advertisers Tutorial Channel. We will learn to create a targeted traffic campaign using Google Network to target new audience. To create a campaign, click the Campaigns button on the top bar. Click on the Create a New Campaign button on the screen. If advertising to a specific targeted audience using Google Networks is your goal, select Targeted Traffic Campaign option. Type the name you want to give to your campaign. You're now ready to choose which creative posts to include in your campaign. Your selection can be a mix of your posts, surveys, quizzes and trivia. Just drag the creative to the empty frame on the top. Review your creatives. It's time to define your target audience. Targeting your audience has never been easier thanks to our playful dashboard. Select their age, gender, location, and interests, modifying the information on the screen. When you're ready, click Next. Now, specify how your audience browse the web by choosing their devices and browsers. You can modify the appearance of your posts to fit best to your website branding by changing the accent color for the call to action buttons and the background theme of the card. Check the preview to see those changes. You're almost there. Choose the IAB ad sizes you would like to choose and will fit best to your content as display advertising. Great! Now it's time to define your budget. Schedule the start and end of your campaign by selecting the dates on the calendar, and then write your value as well as your daily cap. You don't have available funds? Top up your wallet by clicking on the button. Awesome! Your very first targeted traffic campaign is ready. Review all the details and submit. Want to amend your campaign's details? Don't worry. Our interactive platform gives you a summary of your campaign from the beginning until the end, and you can edit each section. Success! Your campaign is ready. Before going live, it will be reviewed by the Whichit and Google teams. We will send you an email once it goes live. Thank you for watching.